Hello students, let's solve this question. A 1 kg block B rests as shown on a bracket A of same mass. So the masses of blocks are given equal, so they both should be 1 kg. Constant forces F1 which is 20 Newton and F2 which is 8 Newton starts to act at a time t0 when the distance of the block B from the pulley is 50 centimeter. So if you observe the question here, there are two blocks, block A when both having a mass of 1 kg, block A and block B both having a mass of 1 kg, and there are two forces acting on them. Force 1 F1 is acting on block 1 which is of 20 Newton, so force 1 is of 20 Newton, and force 2 F2 which is of 8 Newton is acting on this rope. But as the rope is connected to block B, the same will be the tension in the rope. So tension in the rope should be 8 Newton which is acting on the block B. And the distance of the block B from the pulley is 50 centimeter. You can observe this distance is given as 50 centimeter. We need to find the time when the block B reaches the pulley. We need to find the time when the block B reaches the pulley. So in order to do this question, let us first find the accelerations of the block. If you observe the block A, force F1 is pulling the block in forward direction, but there will be a force of pulley here. The tension in the rope is 8 Newton, so force and this rope should be 16 Newton. So net horizontal force on the block A is going to be 20 minus 16, so its acceleration is going to be 20 force minus 16 divided by its mass which is A, which is 1, so it should be 4 meter per second square. It means block A is going forward with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. If you observe the block B, there is a 8 Newton tension acting on the block B, and there is no other horizontal force because no friction is mentioned here. Let us assume this surface is smooth because no friction is mentioned here. So the acceleration of block B should be 8 meter per second square. Acceleration of block B should be 8 meter per second square. Now the pulley is going forward because it is connected to A by an acceleration of 4 meter per second square, and the block B is moving forward with an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. So relative acceleration of them should be 4 meter per second square. This should be the relative acceleration, and that relative acceleration is used to cover the distance of 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter. So it should be half AT square. We can use the equation half AT square. So half A into T square should be the displacement, which is 0.5. So you can calculate time from this equation. This is going to be 1 by 4, T square is going to be 1 by 4, or T is going to be 0.1 by 2 or 0.5 seconds. This should be the required answer. Thank you.